Today, I'm going to show you how to permanently turn off live photos on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or 17 Pro Max. By default, every time you open the camera, Live Photos automatically turns on. This can quickly fill up your storage, and sometimes you just don't want those moving shots. Here's how to fix it once and for all. Step 1. Go to Settings and scroll down to Camera. Step 2. Tap on Preserve Settings. Now, turn on the switch for Live Photo. This is important because when it's on, your iPhone will remember the last setting you chose. If you turned Live Photos off once, it will stay off. Next, open your camera app and tap the Live Photo icon at the top. Make sure it says Live Off. Now, close the camera, and that's it. From now on, Live Photos will stay permanently off every time you open your camera. No more wasted space, no more accidental live shots. And if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more iPhone 17 tips and tricks.